Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Hong Kong style curry chicken with potatoes. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of many other kinds of yummy food. I prefer to use this brand of curry sauce and satay sauce. You may use chicken leg or just the thighs only. Wash and wipe dry the chicken. Cut the chicken into bigger pieces. I would say cut each thigh into 3. Always use the back of the knife to chop the bone, and do not place the other hand on the chopping board to avoid accident. Chop once, then push to cut through. When using the entire chicken leg, I prefer to remove the top part of bone out. Use scissors to separate and cut the meat away from the bone. Cut the entire leg into 5 to 6 pieces. Let's prepare the marinades now. Mix all ingredients for marinades first except cornstarch and oil. Mix chicken pieces with marinades really well. Then add cornstarch and mix well. Add oil at last. Mix well, then cover and marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Peel skin off from the potatoes. Cut into bigger pieces. Mix enough water to cover the potatoes with 20 grams of curry sauce. Cover and microwave for 10 minutes. Cut onions into 1-inch pieces. Cut green onions into sections and save the white parts. Prepare the minced garlic and shallots. Cut carrots into sections. Drain the curry water from potatoes now and use the water to microwave the carrots for 5 minutes. Scoop out the carrots and save the curry water. Prepare the ingredients for stir-frying the chicken now. Here is 50 grams of curry sauce plus the curry water from potatoes, coconut milk and evaporated milk. Heat up the pan first, then add 1 teaspoon oil. At medium-high heat, pan fry each side of chicken for 1 minute. Skin to the bottom first. Loosen the chicken and spread the chicken out. After 1 minute, flip the chicken and pan fry the other side for another minute. Scoop out the chicken. There's quite a bit of oil left in the pan. Remove some oil using a piece of paper towel. Turn to medium heat, stir-fry onions until fragrant. Add shallots, green onion stems, and garlic, and continue to stir-fry. Add curry sauce now and stir fry until fragrant. Add chicken pieces and stir fry briefly. Add curry water. Optional curry powder, which I prefer to use to enhance the taste. Cover and cook at medium heat for 5 minutes. Add carrots and potatoes, then cover and cook for 3 minutes. Taste and add half teaspoon sugar and a quarter teaspoon salt if necessary. Add coconut milk and evaporated milk now. Cook until sauce boils again, then turn off heat. Scoop out. The yummy Hong Kong-style curry chicken with potatoes is now ready to serve with rice. Enjoy!